Hello guys, welcome to Mothercode Academy. As you all know, we usually start with hash include arraystring using namespace std int main. Good. In this video, as I earlier said, I'm going to explain more on, shall I say, logical. Yeah, let me use the word logical. Just logical in this one. Logical operators. Precedence. No, let me set relational and logical. Oh, I don't even know how to give this topic. Maybe relational and logical operators video 2. Good, let's just name it like this. Okay, what we're going to do in this video is that we're going to see how does computer actually analyze logical operators. As you all know, part of the logical operators, the most used one are the or, we have the and. Let's just stick to these two because I'm going to check the speed based on these two. So actually what happened is that, as I earlier said in my previous video, that this or in bracket or is only true if at least one of the condition is true. Good. So if at least one of the condition is true, then it's true. How does the computer actually analyze or function? For example, let me declare a variable int condition 1. Int condition 1 equal to 25. Int condition 2 equal to 30. So let's see this one. If condition 1, okay, let's put 1 here. If condition 1 equal to 25, or condition 2 equal to 30. So if this line of code is true, then we want the computer to put say out hello programmers. Good. Let's stop here and see what will happen. As you know, my condition 1 is 25 already. My condition 2 is 30 already. And here I'm checking in line 10. If condition 1 is the same thing as 25, it's already 25. And I'm checking if it is the same thing as 25. Or, okay, let me use the word greater than. If condition 1 is greater than 20. So if condition 1 is greater than 20, or condition 2 is equal to 30. So condition 1 is greater than 30, meaning my condition 1 is 25 already. And 25 is greater than 20. So computer is not going to check this other condition. The nature of the or is that if one of the condition, see it here, is only true, if not off, if at least one of the condition is true. So since one condition is true, computer did not have enough time to check if the other one is also true, because even if this one is false, the output is true, meaning this line of code is going to execute automatically. So let's come down here and put say out. Thank you. Then after this line of code belongs to this condition in line 10. So if line 10 is true, then line 11 will show. Else, line 11 will not show. But this line 12 will show even if it is true or even if it is false. So now let's see. if condition 1 is greater than 20, let's see the time that will take our computer to run this program. We're going to check time. Time is our priority. So let me save this one. Good. Okay, let's see. Hello programmers, thank you. Meaning my condition is true. Good. Process excited after 0.1392 second. 1392. 0.1392. So let's mark it. 0.1392. Good. That is at test number 1. This place is true and this place is true. So, and I earlier told you guys that computer check this place only and computer does not bother to check this place. So now let's change this one. Let's change this one to 35. Let's put this one both true in bracket, both true, and then we're going to check the other one. So now if this one, if condition 1 is greater than 20, condition 1 is greater than 20 already, and condition 2 is false, but this line of code is going to be executed because we said or. So if this one is true or this one is true and this one is true, computer does not bother to check this side. So let's compile it and check and record our time here. And this one we are going to put 1. Let's say first one is true. First one is true. So let's check the time. So we have 0.1194. Let's record the time. 0.119. Is it 92 or 94? I forget. Okay, so now let's put the other one. Now let's make this one to be false. Let's make this one to be 200. Is condition 1 greater than 200? And let's make this one to be true. So now in this our test, we have first one is false. Okay, so let's check the time. So the time should be greater than this one. If the first one is true, computer just check the first one, and if it is true, computer does not bother to check the second part. But if the first one is false, computer must come to check if the second one is true. So we are expecting to see a longer time in this one because computer will check this one and it will realize that this one is false, therefore it will move ahead to check this one. So we're expecting to see a number that is bigger than this one. So let's compile and run. So 0.1701. 0.1701. Okay, can you see what I'm saying? This is 0.11. This is 0.17. Even from here, 11 cannot be compared with 17. So 11 is a little bit smaller compared to 17, taking the first 2 digits. If you try to approximate this value from here, this 9 is going to turn to 0 and it will be 0.12. 0.12. Likewise, the same thing. Then this one you have 0.17 because if you take the last digit 0, 0 is 0 and nothing have been changed here. So I try to show you guys that if this condition in the nature of the or condition is that if one of them is true, computer does not bother to check if the other one is true. But if the first one is false, computer must have to come here and check if this one is true. So this is the nature of it. And then let's check if the two of them are false. We don't have to check this one. I already proved what I want to prove to you guys. How about the or, the and function? Should we check the and? Let's check the and. So let's make it to be like this. Condition 1 should be greater than 20, and at the same time, condition 2 should be what? Should be greater than 30. Should be equal to 30. Okay, condition 2 is already equal to 30 and condition 1 is greater than 30. So let's put C out. Absolute work. Okay, so now if I run this program, absolute work, what's the time? 0.149. 0.149. Good. That is both are true. So in the second one now, I want to make this one to be false. So if this one is false, what is going to happen is that we're expecting to see a time that is less than this value. Because if the first condition is false, computer is not going to bother itself to check the second condition. The nature of the AND is that and both conditions must be true for the results to be true. So the nature of the AND is that this must be true, and at the same time this must be true before the entire line of code will be true. So if this is false, computer is not going to bother to check this line of code. So therefore we are expecting to see, since condition 1 is not greater than 200, meaning this is false, so this line of code is not going to show. We're expecting to see a program that runs faster than the previous one. So let's try and see. 0.112. 0.112. So can you see 0.112, 112 is less than 149. Because this is false, so computer does not bother itself to come and check this one. No, I can't check this one because the condition is that 2 of you guys must be true before I can run, and you're already false, so why should I check the other one? Even if it is true, it's a waste of time. So this is the nature of how the AND work. I hope you guys spot the difference between how OR and AND work. It's cool. Okay, now let's try to play with the computer's brain. This is true and this is false. I want to make this one to be false. So since this is true, computer will say, okay, since this one is true, let me go and check if the other one is true. So in the process of going to check the other one is true, the computer will spend a long time. Therefore, this one will result to a longer time. Yeah, to a longer time, because computer will check this one here is true, come to check this one, and it will realize that this one is false. So this one we said first is false. So let's run this one. So let's check our time. Can you see our time? 0.1341. We have a 4-digit number after the decimal point. 0. What's the value if I forget? Let's run it again. Though we're going to see different value. 2573. 2578 is 78. I just called something different. So yeah, that is it. This number is a 4-digit number, therefore this number is bigger than any other number in the list, in the experiment. So this is what I wanted to show to you guys. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to this channel, like this video, share it with your friends, and comment on the video. Thank you.